Amit, morning. Thank you for joining us. Amit, ahead of expiry, the India VIX on Monday has closed at a new fresh all-time low. What does this indicate?
Well, Nikunj, good morning. This particular fall in volatility, now this is because the October and November, both the months are inclusive. And it is not only the shorting in October options, it is also the shorting in November options, due to which the volatility has come down so drastically. In fact, if we have to look at the reason of this, we need to go back to 21st of September, when the first time Nifty hit the level of 5700. On that day, we saw the index options figures of FIIs. It was more than 1800 crores in negative. That means they shorted the index options when the premiums were very high in the market. The future was trading almost at 40 points that time because of the just very huge short covering that we saw before. And since then, for the two consecutive sessions, the index options figures came negative for the FIIs. And if you look at the buying figure so far, it has cumulative buying figure. It has not been able to surpass that those 3 days negative figure of index options. That clearly indicates that the strong hands, they entered into the short side in index options, and so far the trend is continued. In fact, we saw the volatility coming down yesterday, but if you look at 2 weeks before, the November of options getting shorted actually that time only, because there was nothing left in the October options. If you look at the time value, they eroded most of the time value just by shorting the options. And this is where I think it could be a good strategy if somebody takes this call that market may remain in this range for some more time, because the November options are also getting shorted. You go short in 57 call and put both, which is a short straddle, and a total premium is 200 rupees. I think at the low vols also, because in the month of July we were trading at a low vols. In September just the vols increased because of the short covering in calls, and again it came down. It is very much possible that we may keep on trading at the low vols also for a few months. So I think going short in short straddle, let us see. I think if market remains here for another 1 week or so, we can make money.
Identify one mid-cap FNO stock for us where you think the scales are clearly tilted in favor of going long.
See, I think what has been the nature of the market is, if you look at the non-index stocks, they have been the flavor actually of the month. We saw that every now and then some open interest was getting added in those stocks, and they didn't perform actually in the previous months at all. Now one of those stocks is Tata Chemical. I think when the stock fell from the month of Feb 2012, it fell by from 375 to almost 300 levels, and since then it has spent almost 5 months around these levels. And if you look at the last month, 300 to 310, in that range we saw again and again the delivery based buying was coming, and that has become a very good support zone actually for the stock. If you look at the open interest, around 14% of open interest has been added in the stock in the last couple of months. The rollovers were also very robust actually if you look from September to October. And in the month of October, we are seeing consistently the stock is closing little bit positive on day-by-day basis, and eventually the buying that happened at around 310, that is going to pan out. I think 345 one can look at the target for the stock, and the stop loss should be placed around 310. It is currently trading around 324, 325 kind of levels. So even at current levels, one can initiate the buy in the stock.